Good morning from Sunshine Beach. I had a really weird sleep last night. I was really worried that I was going to get in trouble for where I was, but it turned out to be really good. So it's like 6:30 in the morning, sun has just risen. I'm going to take some more photos and then I'm going to go find some breakfast and then do the national park walk.
Is all this feeling gone? All day, put your name on the night. Burn hot, watch us fall from the sky. Break down to the end of the light. I'm gonna take these walls down.
So I've made it back into the centre of Noosa. I've just parked. I'm going to go get an acai bowl from where I got it yesterday because it was delicious. And I'm going to go for a walk. I don't think you understand how great it was to not have to get dressed in my car today. I got dressed in a toilet. It was amazing. So I have walked a couple of Ks up a mountain pretty much. And I'm buggered. And now I have to walk back. I think I've been walking for about an hour. And there have been some pretty cool spots along the way. Yeah, now I have to walk back. What's this place called? Amor. 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 You're taking a photo of me filming myself. I have made it to Gympie. Do you want to be in it, Trell?
Yes, please.
This is Latrell. Say hello.
Hello.
We are on a rainforest walk in, what is it? Amamore?
Amamore, yeah.
Amamore?
Yeah.
State Forest. And I'm here with the fam for a few days. And yeah.
I'm gonna take these walls down. Don't close your eyes. If you swear that you want to fall asleep again. Got no time for demons chasing down. You never came home. Is all this feeling gone?
Everyone, I'm off on a little adventure today to Tin Can Bay and Rainbow Beach, hoping to be able to feed the dolphins at Tin Can Bay, but by the rate I'm going, I'm gonna be late, so let's go.
don't say the words if I'm on this plane. You don't say the words if I lose my faith. You don't speak a word I won't. Nothing left of me. All day that you lay on my burn hot, watches fall from the sky. Break down till the end of the light. I'm gonna take these walls down.
So it's pretty shitty weather today and I almost didn't get out of bed, but I'm really glad I did because that was really cool. It's not every day you get to feed a dolphin. Now I'm going to drive around town, have a look, and then I am going to go to Rainbow Beach. Welcome to Rainbow Beach. Look a bit nicer if it was a nice day. So I drove around for a bit trying to find something cool, but there isn't really much to do in this town besides the beach. Really sorry about the wind. So I'm now down on the beach and I'm going to see if the drone will go up. It's very windy, so I'm kind of scared, but yeah. And it looks like it's about to rain, but we'll give it a go. So I just stopped on the side of the road because I found this really cool little driveway, I think it is, I don't know. But the trees around here are just so perfectly in line and I was like, I need to get a photo. So I just did a little mini photo shoot of myself. It was great. But I'll show you, it looks amazing. Look how cool that looks. Today we are at the Gympie Gold Mine Museum, just looking around with everyone. Then we're going to go to the duck ponds afterwards, which is behind me. Want a cup of tea? No worries. Want some sunscreen? No worries. Want a Latrell? No worries.
I am not part of this.
That ain't creepy at all. Look at Trell. Yeah. I am in a new location now. I left Gympie this morning, left all the fam, and I have driven up to Bundaberg. Actual fact, I was meant to leave Gympie and start heading south back towards home, but I don't want to. So I've decided pretty much I'm not. I told work that I needed some more time, and so I've headed back up north and I'm in Bundaberg. I'm currently at the rum distillery, like the Bundaberg rum. Don't drink alcohol, don't drink rum, but still thought I'd come here and check it out, which is pretty cool. They've got a huge big bottle of rum. I don't know. Yeah, there it is. You can see it. That's pretty cool. But now I'm going to go and find some food because I'm starving, and then I might just wander around. I'm only here for the night, so got 24 hours to check it out. So I found a Kmart and went to Kmart and it was great. I bought a frying pan, so now I can actually use my little portable gas stove. Now I've made it to some park, has a cool bridge, and I've just realised I'm in croc territory now because I'm high enough in Queensland that the crocs are in the rivers. I've worked out there is absolutely nothing to do in Bundaberg at all. There isn't even a tourist shop I can find to buy a magnet, which is really annoying, but they have lots of places where you can just stay overnight in like a park. So I've found one, I've set up for the night, I just went and bought some food, and I'm actually going to cook myself dinner tonight, which I'm really excited about. I just bought soup, just going to heat it up really, but I'm excited about that. So I'll show you my little setup. I went and bought myself a fry pan from Kmart because I didn't have one. Just all the food I bought. Yeah, a little bit of chocolate, you know.